Welcome to Python for Introductory Statistics. In this video, you will learn how to open Google Colab Notebook. If you have the manual open, you can go to the Getting Started section, and there is a link here that shows you how to get to Google Colab Notebook. But in case if you don't have this manual with you today, you can open any browser. I'm going to open Mozilla Firefox, and you can search for Colab, C-O-L-A-B, and it's by Google, but just search for Colab. And the first, usually, the one that says "Welcome to Collaboratory," that's the same link. And at this point, it's taking us directly to Google Colab. What I would like you to do here is click on File and then New Notebook, right? New Notebook. Here, we're going to sign in into a Google account. Obviously, it's free, but you'll need to sign in. So I'm going to use my Google account. If you don't have one, by the way, you can easily create one. It's free. And then click Next here. And now we are, yes, so this is Google Colab Notebook. It's very much like Google Docs if you've used before. Now the difference here is this is just a list of either code cells or text cells. There's already a code cell, but we can add more by clicking here this plus code, and it added a second code. We call them cells, right? Code cells and text cells. So in the first code cell, I'm going to write the first program here, and it's print, open parentheses, and it closes it by itself. And I'm going to say here, let's say, welcome to Python, right? And it's in a double quotation mark or single quotation mark. It works the same. And this print function is one of the Python functions. All it will do is it will display everything inside the code as it is, right? Everything on code as it is. So this is how we run the code or how we execute. And here it says, welcome to Python. Now, if you wanted to edit it, you can click on this cell. And now instead of welcome to Python, now let's just erase this, right? Delete this and use single quotes or apostrophe, and I'm going to say the famous hello, comma, world, and then exclamation mark. And we can run it again, and now the output is hello world. Of course, we can also use it just like a calculator, like 10 plus 10. Now, in order to run or execute the code, it's not enter, it's control enter, or just hit the play button here, and 10 plus 10 is 20. Now, for subtraction, there's a minus sign, the dash sign. For multiplication, let's say you want to multiply 10 times 10, then you use the asterisk, right? 10 times is Shift 8 in Windows keyboard. The asterisk sign is for 10, 10 times 10. And then when we run this code, 10 times 10 is 100. We could do, how about division? So let's say we want to divide 25 divided by 5, as in the forward slash, and that will give you the division. And then the last one, we could do exponentiation, as in what is 5 to the power of 10 or to the power of 10. So this is the asterisk sign twice. This is exponentiation, 5 raised to 10, which is 5 times 5 times 5, 10 times. And this will give you something like this. It's a very big number. But exponentiation is probably slightly different than the other programs and calculators. And this is how you do exponentiations. Let's stop for now here.